Hello guys, bumaba naman ako dito. Kasi hindi ko matiis eh, ang ganda eh. Tingnan mo yung mga kakahuyan oh. What I'm thinking about is this mint tree yung nakita ko doon sa may Alamira Falls. I think so. Look at those three guys. Oh. Tingnan mo, para silang nagsasalubong dyan. Oh. Para silang nagsasalubong. Para silang nag-uusap. Oh. Parang sa kabila, may mga kahoy dyan. So again guys, look at the trees. If you observe them. Repetition. Again, Fibonacci. Now I'm talking about nature's repetition, Fibonacci. Masarap lang kasing i-discuss eh. Tingnan mo guys, nature repeats itself. Look at them. Tingnan mo yung puno ng kahoy. Paakyat lahat. Repetition. Pataas. Tapos ang leaves nila sa taas. Bakit walang pa-down yan? So, God designed it like that. Repetition going up. So, mapansin mo guys, totoo yung sinabi ng mga dyan. Mga ninuno natin, nature repeats itself. Repetition. I'm not sure guys if this eucalyptus trees again. Yung sinabi ng friend ko na meet ko doon sa Alamira Falls. Parang ito eh, pa-straight siya eh, tapos puti. Hindi lang ako sigurado guys ha, kasi I'm not expert to kakahoy-kahoy. But I appreciate them. Ko lang sila, look familiar kasi yung mga pinupuntahan ko. Very nice. Look at this. Mga kahoyan, I really love nature. Hello po, kahoy. Anong taon ka na dyan? Laki-laki mo. Yes. Puntahan natin kasi may bulaklak. Oh, wow. What kind of flowers is this? Very pretty.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Good.
Good. Nice to see you around here. Oh, by the way, is this eucalyptus trees?
Yes, they are. Yep.
Oh, wow. I remember because I went to Alamira Falls and they have like this. So I said,
right?
I'm not sure if this is eucalyptus trees, but I'm glad I see it again.
Trees. Where are you
Beautiful.
From? Where are you from?
I'm from Southern California.
Southern California. You're visiting up here? Right?
Yeah, and then I try to visit here. I'm on vacation, so I traveled
nice.
around. Yeah,
right?
Very nice. Where are you from?
Here. Right here.
Oh,
right
great!
here. You just come out to hang out.
Yeah, and then you're still hanging out. Still beautiful. Yeah, great to see you guys. Have a nice day. Look at this. It's very pretty. Look. Look at the flowers. The same colors. Orangey in colors. This is very pretty. I don't know what kind of flowers is this, but you know. All I know is I'm enjoying them. Stress kung sarili kung what kind of flowers. Tatagal tayo dyan. Basta importante, mag-appreciate tayo. I-appreciate natin yan. Very pretty. Uy. Okay ba ako dito? Ang galing niya. Tumabi siya. Very nice. Very good people. Look at this. Tabi tayo guys kasi may mga may mga sakyan. Okay, puntahan ko muna yung maraming flowers guys kasi naiinganyo kasi ako sa ganda niya eh habang nagda-drive ako. Look at this guys. Ang dami nila guys. Wow. Cushion pa naman oh. Bawal yung Rosario, hip Rosario, caution, ingat ka. Aba, may sakyan. Aba, tawid muna ako. Ganyan lang ako. May sakyan. Paano kasi, bihira ko makita yung mga ganyang beauty eh. Wow, beautiful! Paano ko ito ma-resist yung beauty niya? Pero, sige lang, kahit may cushion dyan, nagkukusyon naman talaga ako eh. So guys, I'm so glad. Tama pala yung hinala ko nga. These guys are eucalyptus trees. Look at them. See, ma-relate ko yung yung dati kong pinuntahan na nakita ko dati, ma-remember ko rin dati. So, kung ano, lapitan mo yan guys, hawakan mo yan, ano, pitasin mo yung leaves niyan. Mabango yan kasi eucalyptus eh. Gamot ng ano ba, sipon, ubo. At saka ang dami niya guys. Siguro, ano, yung ginagamit na rin nila ito ng pang ano nila, pang, I don't know, the bark of the trees for gamot. Look at this. Uy, may sasakyan na naman. Sige lang, bigyan mo lang ako ng chance. Okay. So guys, tingnan mo to guys, oh. Anong klaseng halaman to guys? Oo, may mga bilog-bilog. Yan, oh. Ganda. Ang ganda talaga. Hindi naman siya yung masyadong mabango guys. Pero ma-feel mo talaga may ano siya, magandang amoy. Tapos ito, yellow. Tapos pagdating dyan, orange na siya dyan. Ganda guys. Very pretty. Ang ganda nga, ano. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Orangey talaga. Napaka-sweet ng pagka-orange niya guys. Ganda oh. O sige guys, proceed na tayo. So yung ano na yun, mag-best friend ba yun? Mag-asawa ba yun sila? Whatever. Galing sila dito, pero they never stop exploring their environment. So, ang ganda nila. Very nice. So, kita mo sila happy people. Sila yung mga mukha nila. They look like happy people. Yes. I have noticed yung mga tao din yung nagta-travel din. When you see them on the road, if you talk to them, they are nice. So, what is there something yung lumabas ka sa bahay mo? There's a secret code down there. Kapag lumabas ka ng bahay, guro, isip-isip ko lang. Alam mo naman, isip-isip lang tayo palagi. Siguro yung utak mo ba, luluwag, yung hindi ka narrow-minded. Ang laki ng tingin mo sa mundo eh. Hindi ka lang naka-secure dyan sa isang cubicle nga maliit. Tingnan mo guys, oh, may tinik-tinik siya. Ano kayang ano to halaman? Yung tinik-tinik niya. Ang tinik. Yan oh, mga tinik-tinik niya guys. But, ganda. So again, Fibonacci. Na-remember ko kasi yan, kasi yung nag-aral ako sa my stock market, forex market. Even they apply that kind of strategy. The market itself repeats. So, may history ang market. So, ang history talaga is very solid talaga nga maging ano mo, gabay. Even the stock market believe it. I mean, that's not the only thing. That's not the only tools they used. There's a lot of tools down there. But, I know, gina-inject yan sa ano namin, sa course namin na Fibonacci strategy. Nature repeat itself. Even the stock market. Alright guys, sinishare ko lang guys. I mean, okay. Hey, keep quiet. Alright, okay. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. So proceed tayo sa next destination. Bye-bye you.